Okay everyone, learn to code by coding, LeetCode 771, joules and stones. Well, here basically we are given two strings as input, string j and string s, and for every character in j we have to count how many times said character exists in s. Then we return this count. It's a pretty straightforward exercise. I encourage you to pause the video, try to solve it on your own, and then you come back and see if our solutions are similar. But with that being said, we start by creating a counter, which will be our output, and we'll set it to 0, assuming that there is no uh, occurrence of a letter in J that is also in S. And then we iterate through S, so for every, say, letter in S, here letter is just a variable name. You could use X, I, or whatever you want. So for letter in S, if said letter is also in J, the counter grows by 1. And then we simply return the counter. If we run the code, we see, well, it's accepted. If we submit, we see it's a success. Now, you might be wondering, why not for letter in J if letter in S counter grows by 1? Because that makes sense, right? First we read through J and then we go to S. However, let's do this mentally. If we're here in the first example, for every letter in J, for instance, say this lowercase a, if this letter is in S, output grows by 1, so it would be lowercase a, then we go through S and we find one instance, so output would be 1. Okay, now second letter is uppercase A, then we go through S and we find one instance of uppercase A, and the output grows by 1, so it's already in 2. However, well, there is no third letter, so the code would stop and return a output of 2, which is clearly wrong. And for this reason, it's better to go through every letter in S and just check if this letter exists in the first string and then return the correct output. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see each other in the next video.